we are still continuing with decimals, but today we are going to learn how to expand the decimal numbers. But before we learn to expand, let's do the place value. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds. Let's write it down here. Ones, tens, and hundreds. So let's write in numerals now. We have written words, 6 ones, 5 tens, 4 hundreds. Let's write this in numerals. 6 ones means 6 ones. When we expand this 5, 5 tens means 5 0. When we expand this 400. 4 hundreds, 400. 5 tens, 5 0. 6 ones and 6. Now let's do the place value of the other side. Here 1 begins after the point. It begins with which number? Tens. Tens, hundreds, thousands. Tens, hundreds, 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 and this place value is thousands. THS. Now, in the same way, let's write those in a fraction, in numbers. So, how many tens? 1 tens. Okay? How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. How many thousands? 3 thousands. So later on, when we expand after the decimal point, you are going to write it like this one. For example, 4, 5, 6.123. Okay. Let's have a look at the numbers that are before the decimal point. Let's read the numbers. 456. So when we have written the place value of 4 is 400. 400 plus 50 plus 6. So we expanded this number as we had been expanding before in our previous classes in the beginning of the year. So in the same way we expand 456, 400 plus 50 plus 6. Now we have come to the decimal point. Remember to expand the numbers that come before the decimal point in the beginning. After the decimal point, you can read the number. 1 tenth. 1 tenth plus 2 hundredths. 2 hundredths plus 3 thousandths. So in the same way we have done the place value chart here, 3 thousandths, 2 hundredths, 1 tenth. So in the same way we have to expand. Again, 400, 400, 50, 50, 6, 6. After the decimal point, tens, 100, 1000. How many tens? 1 tenth. How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. How many thousands? 3 thousands. Now let's get back to the work we are going to do today. I hope you have understood. The first part you will understand. The second part, after decimal point, you just read the number and write it. It's so very easy. Now here we don't see any decimal points. So this is just a revision of the previous work that we did in class 2, 3, 4 and in 5 also in the beginning of the year. Let's expand this. 457. 400 plus 15 plus 7. That's how we expand. Let's read this number. 63. 60 plus 3. Let's expand this number. 9,645. How many thousand? 9,000. How many hundreds? 600. Plus 40 plus 5. So this is how we expanded before. Now we come to the numbers that are in the decimal numbers. So let's expand. Let's say the place value. This is ones. Only ones are there. There is no tens, hundred. There will be tens. So 2 ones plus, what is the value of 1 here? 1/10. 1/10. Again, 2, 2. Value of 1/10 when you read this number. 6 plus 2 tens plus 3 hundreds. So 6 plus 2 tens plus 3 hundreds. Let's read this number. This is number 79. First we'll expand this 79 equals 70 plus 9 plus, now let's have a look at the numbers that come after the decimal point. Tens, hundreds, thousands. 1/10 plus, what is the value of 4? 4 hundreds. And where is this last number? In which place value? Thousands. 5 thousands. So let's have a look again. Here it's easy. These are numbers, or these are whole numbers. They are not decimal point. So 457. When we expand 400 plus 50 plus 7. 63, 60 plus 3. 9,000, 9000 plus 600, 600 plus 40, 40 plus 5. Then we have 2.1. This is ones, this is tens. So when we expand, 2 plus 1, 10. 6, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. So when we read this number, 6.23. But when we expand, we write 6 plus 2 tens, 3 hundreds. Let's look at this. 70 plus 9 plus tens, 100,000, 1/10, 4 hundreds, 5 thousands. So I hope you have understood. That's how we expand the decimal numbers. Remember to look at that decimal chart which we had done before. So let's do some more numbers. 7. Let's do 8, 9, and one more. 10. 8, 4, 6.3. 9, 4, 6, 3.54. 2.045. 295.104. Okay, so let's revise this first. Let's do it orally. 800, 800 plus 40 plus 6 plus which place value? 3 tenths. So let's write it. When we expand this 846, 800 plus 40 plus 6. Then we come to the decimal numbers. When you read this, it is plus 3 tenths. And that's how we expand. Again, 800, 800, 40, 40, 6, 6. And this is 3 tenths. So let's expand this. 9463, 9,900 plus 400 plus 60 plus 3. Let's expand that. 9000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 3. And we have come to the decimal point. So let's see the place value. This is which place value? Tens, hundreds. So how many tens? 5 tens. Plus how many hundreds? 4 hundreds. Very simple. So before the point there is only one number. So 2. This is not 200 or 2000 or 20. This is only 2 ones. 2 ones. Plus, there is a 0 here. Let's not put any 0 here. Okay, let's not write 0 tenths. We write straight away 4 hundreds, 5 thousands. So, 4 hundreds. Now you may be thinking, why there's no tens? Because there's tens here. This 0 has no value. So no need to put 0 tenths. So if there is 0, move on to the next number. 4 thousands. 4 hundreds plus 5 thousands. Okay? Did you understand? Now let's do this number. 295. Let's look at the number that is before the decimal point. 295. 200 plus 9 plus 5. 200 plus 90 plus 5 plus, let's first say the place value. Tens, hundreds, thousands. Here you need not write the hundreds place value because there is no number. So 1 is in where is 1 in which place value? So 1 tenths plus, let's not write hundreds because it's a 0. So we have 4 thousands. Okay, so I hope you have understood the children. If you haven't understood, if you go look at the video again and try and understand. And please, before you do this expand, have a look at the place value chart which we did at the beginning. Maybe most of you have written it in your exercise. So the children, be safe and stay at home till we meet. Bye for now.